Hello, Brent Bride, the service guy here from Williams Heating and Cooling in beautiful downtown Elsie. Today we're going to talk about how to service your Aprilaire humidifiers. Your 400, 500, and 600 series humidifiers are all the same. They take a different pad, but they're all the same. So what we need to do is open up the box, and first you'll find the OEM water panel from Aprilaire has a paint mark on one end, not on the other. This end goes up. To get your Aprilaire open, there's a tab at the top and there's a tab at the bottom. You push down on those to pull the cover off. You notice your water panel inside here. Usually there's crust buildup in lime and scale and iron. We have to replace that annually. If you have really bad water quality, sometimes you need to do it semi-annually. But anyway, you pull the pad out. There's two tabs to grab onto. Tip it out, tip it towards you. Then there's a water distribution panel at the top. You lift that out. Clean this part out, make sure it's all clear of debris and lime and iron and scale and calcium buildup, all that stuff. And you'll notice your water panel, the paint's at the top. Pull your panel out, you discard the old one. Clean your panel out, there'll be some buildup of some iron and like I said, calcium, lime, all that stuff in there. Put the new water panel in with the paint facing up. Drops in there. Put your distribution panel back in. Just snaps in there quite easily. Then around this drain spud, there'll be some buildup, so make sure your drain's clear and all that. If it's built up too much, you can put some vinegar in there, apple cider or white vinegar. Help clear that drain out and get all that debris buildup in there. And you just hold your water line out of the way. Tip your panel back in and it snaps in. You'll hear an audible snap. Put your water line back in. Put your cover back on. And viola, just like that, you're all done. You're good for another heating season to get some nice, comfortable, humidified air in there. In the words of Red Green, if your wife doesn't find you handsome, she ought to find you helpful. And from Brent Bride, the service guy, learn more to earn more.